Hi Tesla fans, welcome to part 3 of our 3-part series, Dynamat DIY installation kit to go ahead and reduce road noise, rattles, make your sound system sound better, and an overall better driving experience in your Model 3. Now, the front doors have been taken care of, the rear doors are done. That was video part 1. Part 2 focused on the rear trunk lid. We're about to start part 3 right now, focusing on the actual trunk itself. There's a lot of Dynamat that's going to go into this because our friends at Dynamat have recognized specifically where a lot of the road noise is coming from that also creates rattles, and we're going to take care of that right now. So go ahead and watch this video. Here we go.
Hi, I'm RWT Sportline, and we're going to do the third part of the video, the trunk floor itself. So to do this, we're going to have to remove all the carpeted panels and a couple of plastic pieces in here too. It's the biggest kit that we do, the most pieces, should I say. So let's get at it. So let's start taking this stuff out. With the plastic trims, there's no real clips in the trunk. I think there might be 2 actually, sorry, under here, but there's no real clips in the trunk. It's all just pushed together. It's very important to figure out which pieces you took off and in what order, because they've got to go back in the same order because the way that the carpet overlaps. So it looks like all we got left are the 2 on the sides. This one with the clip for the light. And the way I'm going to do this, I'm not going to take these all the way out. I'm just going to push them through the trunk area so I don't have to remove the whole thing and remove the side bolsters for the front seats. So when you're doing the trunk kit itself, there's a lot of pieces. There's 4 panels. There's 4 sheets of Dynamat. So the installation guide's really going to help you out. Like all of these different letters and all these different things are definitely going to help you out. So like the H goes in the floor in what would be the spare tire well in a normal car, and so on like this. So let's start in the spare tire well, and we'll go around here and we'll work our way out and around. So let's start with the big one, H, with all the circles in it. So now we're going to do the 2 side pieces in the floor, F and G. We're going to put M in now, so it's going to be the piece that goes across the back. And we're going to use the rollers again to make sure it's as airtight as we can. And then we're going to do the back of the trunk that faces outside, again with the roller. With this, because it's like a bow shape, you want to get the middle in, otherwise you're going to snap the Dynamat into the middle. So now we got it roughly on with our hands, we can now go and use this roller. And then in the creases, you'll see these lines here. I've been doing it for long time. You can use the back side of the roller and you can really push that area in. Okay, so the next piece is the back wall. And then we get the roller again. So the next pieces are going to be the bits that go above, like the drive axle, around that area. So this is the next big piece. Once you get it on roughly again, we go back to you guessed it, the roller. So now we're going to do the side walls. So over here, and the same on the other side. So the next two pieces are a little bit more awkward. You kind of got to get involved and get in the car. So the first one goes roughly around about here. And then the next one goes up here. So now we've finished installing all the pieces. Follow the step-by-step instructions, all of the letters. Make sure you install all the pieces to get the full effect. And now we're just going to reinstall all the pieces that we took off, and we'll be done.
That's it, Tesla fans. We are all done with our 3-part series DIY of how to install Dynamat sound deadening material in your Tesla Model 3. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.